couple of things to note here. When the remote control plus and minus button is operated, the display on the air conditioner does not show activation on the plus or minus button. When the air conditioner does a change by itself, note the minus button is illuminated. The first event was at 8 minutes and 24 seconds. The second event is coming up at 8 minutes 55. Note the minus button just illuminated. Note the minus button just illuminated again, and the event was at 15 minutes and 18 seconds. The next two tiny peep peeps is my watch. Again, the negative button was activated.